So today I will show you how to take multiple photos in burst mode in iPhone. So first open camera app. The first thing you have to do is to disable live photos. Disable it. Now disabling live photo automatically enables burst mode, as you know. Now what you have to do, tap on this arrow, tap on the clock timer icon. Now make it to 3 seconds. Make it 3 seconds. After 3 seconds, multiple photos will be captured. Tap on capture. Now go to your photos. Now you will see that this photo. Now tap on burst 10 photos. Now tap on select, and now as you can see it shows multiple photos. Now from this, which photos you like, keep it, and which you don't like, you can disown it. For example, I like these two photos. So just tap on done. Now from here you will get two options: keep everything or keep only 2 favorites. So you can select any of these. Let's say I will select keep only 2 favorites. So now as you can see, these two are saved. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in